Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, January 16, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. I'm going to show you a trade that I just closed out today in JBL, better known as Jabil Inc. And I picked up this stock on the 26th of December, and I believe I got it at $26.28. I exited that play today for over a 7% gain on the second half position. I'm going to show you exactly why I picked it up and why I exited the position today. So here, first of all, if you take a look at Jabil, in a downtrend, the stock was really falling pretty sharply. It put a little bit of a pivot high in around 31.50 all the way back in September. Then traded down to around $26. And what you're going to notice first off the bat, I like to go to a bigger time frame, and I like to see, is there any support there? Well, I see this wide range bar here, so I know the institutions got in around this area down here. So anywhere around 26 and a quarter looks like pretty good support. But also when I rewind the clock a little bit and I go back, and I look over here right around November of 2015, I noticed that JBL put in a really significant pivot. Stock went to around $26, it pierced, and then it sold off into May of 2016, went down as low as $16. And what you're going to see is, to get above a pivot like that, you really need a lot of energy. Institutional money needs to come into the equity, and that's exactly what they did here. And when I saw that, I said, well, the institutions supported it here. They're going to defend it again. And sure enough, I got in the stock at $26.28 right on the day of the low. And that winded up being a very, very good entry point in the stock. So when you go back to the daily chart, we got in right here. And again, you'll see the stock did nothing for about 3 or 4 days, and that's typical. Sometimes you just have to go sideways a little bit and build a base, and then you can see the stock really made a big move into the 27.50 level. Pulled back for about 4 days. That's typical. You get what we call a zigzag type pattern. A lot of people call this an ABC move. Doesn't matter. It's all synonymous. What you got here was a nice little pullback for a jump right into the 50-period moving average and this red bar high. Now, I believe the stock still has potential to get to around 28.50. However, the charts are telling me with options expiration, might be a good week to take the money off the table, and that's what I did today. Took the money off the table for over a 7% gain, and that's not a bad trade for just a few weeks. So again, that's exactly what I did, exactly what I was looking at. And again, I'm ready to have about 3 trades right now, just waiting for them to fall into my levels, and then I will be putting those out. So if you haven't done so yet in 2018, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You can follow me on all the trades. I've closed out 4 winners already this year. I have one nicely in the money by about $6 at the moment. I'm looking for a little bit more upside and getting a little greedy on one, but that's okay. We're looking to make money here in 2018. With that being said, everybody, learn the charts, watch the charts, discover the chart patterns, and it will ultimately take you to profitability. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.